Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Link RE605X AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Link RE605X AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender is a powerful dual-band Wi-Fi 6 extender that boosts your existing router's signal to eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will unbox the extender box. Inside the Link RE605X AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the RE605X extender unit, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and a warranty card. Everything you need to extend your Wi-Fi coverage is neatly packed and ready to use. Now plug your Link RE605X into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router for initial setup. Wait about 1 minute until the power LED turns solid on. Make sure the RE range extender light is off, that means it's not yet connected, which is fine for setup. Now plug your Link RE605X into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router for initial setup. Wait about 1 minute until the power LED turns solid on. Make sure the RE range extender light is off, that means it's not yet connected, which is fine for setup. Open a web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type either of these, tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Now press Enter. You'll see the TP-Link setup page. Create a new password for the extender's admin page. This is not your Wi-Fi password. Click Start or Let's Go. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password, make sure it's typed correctly, case sensitive. Click Next. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router, good for seamless roaming, or give it a new name like mywifi_xt so you can clearly see the extended network. Click Next. The extender will take a few seconds to connect to your main Wi-Fi. When done, a summary page will show both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connection status as connected. Click Finish. Wait for the extender to reboot, about 1 minute. After setup, unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Wait for the LED indicators. Solid blue light means great connection. Your Link RE605X AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender is now fully set up. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.